Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back. All right, it is Shady Friday, so we are getting shady with the Beauty Ninjas. And this week is my week, and I chose pink, purple, and white. And the reason I chose pink, purple, and white is because those are my niece Nova's favorite colors. It is her birthday this week, and so I wanted to do something to celebrate her birthday here on YouTube. So happy birthday, Nova. This look is for you. All right, so what we used was the Natasha Denona Roxa palette. I used Cerise, Heather, Eclipse, Concord, and Brink. And then I used the Muse palette from Cosmic Brushes. And I used this white shade here, which turns out it's kind of purple, as you can see on the inner corner. So I'm going to swatch these real quick. This is Eclipse, and I kind of put that along the outer corner. And then that is Cerise, Cerise, C-E-R-I-S-E, Cerise. I don't know. Hopefully I'm not butchering that, which I said it a bunch of different ways, so I probably did butcher it. And I kind of put that in the crease and on the outer corner there. And then I took this shade Heather and I kind of blended everything out. And then I took this Concord shade and I put it out here. And then I took Brink and put it a little towards the inner corner. And then from the Cosmic Brushes palette, I took the shade Luster. Here, let me see if I can put it on my palm of my hand. It is a white shade that flips pink and purple. Get that off the palm of my hand before I go touching stuff. And those are the shades that I used to create this look. And to top off the purple of the look, I used this KVD Lippy in Suspiria. I quite enjoyed making this look for my niece. If you all could go into the comment section and wish her a happy 8th birthday, I'm sure she would absolutely love that. This is a collaboration with the Beauty Ninjas. And we do have a playlist, which I will link below in the description box. Go check out all of the other ladies' looks. And again, happy birthday, Nova. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. It is all down below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And remember, it costs nothing to be kind. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.